Today I'll show you the one simple rule to differentiate between tall and long such that you can never get it wrong again. So let's get started. Tall is used whenever you're dealing with vertical heights. It means whenever you are measuring the distance from top to bottom or from bottom to top, and whenever you're dealing with people in a sentence, buildings, or trees. Fine? And long is used whenever we are dealing with horizontal distance. Horizontal distance in the sense whenever we are measuring the distance from one side to another side. Fine? And also whenever we are dealing with durations in a sentence. Durations in a sentence it may be, or it may be roads, or it may be hair, or time as well. Let us understand in a better way with the help of these following examples. First question, the basketball player is blank. Here basketball player height is measured vertically from top to bottom or bottom to top, and whenever we are dealing with vertical heights we go with tall. So the answer is the basketball player is tall. Next, the river is blank. Here is a river and river is measured horizontally from one side to another side. So we use long. The river is long. Next, this bridge is blank. Here is a bridge and bridge is measured in a horizontal way. It means from one side to another side. And whenever we are dealing with horizontal distance, we go with long. So the answer is the bridge is long. Next, the movie was blank. Here movie is measured in a horizontal way from one side to another side. Moreover, it depicts duration. So we go with long. This movie was long. Next, lean the ladder where it is blank. Here is a ladder with the help of a wall. It is leaning. And we are talking about the measurement of the ladder which is measured vertically. Vertical height we go with tall. Lean the ladder where it is tall. Next, look at the snake. It is blank. Snake is measured horizontally, and whenever we are dealing with horizontal distance we go with long. So the answer is look at the snake, it is long. Next, see the giraffe. It is blank. Giraffe height is measured vertically, so we go with tall. See the giraffe, it is tall. Next, the waiting list is blank. Here is a waiting list and it is measured horizontally. It is all about duration. Whenever we are dealing with duration or time, we go with long. The waiting list is long. Next, build the bookshelf blank. Bookshelf is measured vertically or horizontally? Yes, of course, it is measured vertically. So we go with tall. Build the bookshelf, tall. Next, the stack of books is blank. Stack of books where books are placed one on top of each other. So it is measured vertically. So we go with tall. The stack of books is tall. Next, the winter felt long. Oops, answer is already written here. But no problem. Let us decode how long is an answer here. See guys, winter is a season. It's a cold season. It speaks about duration. It speaks about time moreover. And whenever we are dealing with time or duration, we go with long. So the answer is the winter felt long. I hope it's clear. Next, the pine tree is blank. Pine tree. Here is a pine tree. Height is measured vertically. It is not measured horizontally. So we go with tall. The pine tree is tall. Next, pull the string until it is blank. Here is a string. It is measured horizontally, of course, from one side to another side. So we use long. Pull the string until it is long. Next, fill the glass because it is blank. Here is a glass. It is measured vertically, not horizontally. So we go with tall. Fill the glass because it is tall. Next, the skyscraper is blank. Skyscraper is a very tall building. Multi-storied building. Fine. Now you tell me whether it is measured vertically or horizontally. The skyscraper is tall or long? Let me know this answer in the comment section. Do remember guys, whenever you measure vertically, use tall, and whenever you measure horizontally, use long. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.